everybody, welcome to my channel. So I am actually starting to do my Walgreens haul a little bit different. Some of you guys like this, some of you don't. I'm just trying to figure out what works better. I think doing it this way, I've showed a lot more deals. I can show a lot more deals than what I usually do because some of that stuff I'm like, I don't want to buy it. So I am going to start kind of doing this way and see how it does. And then at the end of the video, you guys can see what I bought and I'll show you guys all that. But I still will also have the printable breakdown down below in the information that you guys can check it out. So just trying something new. Thanks for watching and let's save some money. The soft soap body wash and the Irish Springs body wash is on sale for 3 for $12. We currently have $1 off soft soap coupons, plus there is a $1 off digital for the Irish Springs, and there is a $1 off digital for the soft soap. So it depends on what you have for coupons and digital coupons. But you want to use all $3 coupons or digitals, mix and match, but you would pay $9. Then you guys will get a $5 cash reward, making these $4 or just $1.33 a piece. The Garnier Fructis and the whole blends are on sale for 2 for $7. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys would want to use. Plus there is either digital in the app that you can clip to your card, or there is a $1 off booklet coupon that will apply to any bottle that you buy. So the total would be ended up being $2 for final price, or $1 each for the Garnier and also for the whole blends. Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $2.99. I do have some that are $3.79. The ad said that there was a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, but I do not have it in my account. I only have the 3 off of 2. So you want to buy 2 of the $3.79. You would end up using that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4.58, but then you guys would get $4 of cash rewards, making it just 58 cents or 29 cents a tube of toothpaste. The Renewzits are on sale for 89 cents. There's currently a buy 4, get 2 free digital coupon that you want to use. Your total would be $3.56, but there is a $2 off of 6 rebate with Ibotta, so you want to use that, and it comes out to be just $1.56 or 26 cents a piece. The Tide Simply liquid detergent, the pods, and the Downy softener is on sale for $2.95. We actually have a $1 coupon for the Tide Simply liquid, but it also comes up with that one too. And then there's also a $1 off digital coupon for the pods. So you want to buy all 3 of them. You'd pay $6.85 after the $2 off digital coupons come off. You would get a $3 register reward that prints out. So it comes out to be just $3.85 or $1.28 a piece. The Tide liquid, the Tide pods, and the Downy bigger size of the laundry detergent and the bigger Downy Unstoppables are on sale for $4.99. They were buy 3, get the 4th one free. So you'd buy 4 of them, you'd pay $14.97. Comes out to be $3.74 a piece. The All and Snuggle are on sale for $2.99. We do have a $1 off digital coupon that you can use. Comes out to be just $1.99. The Palmolive soap is on sale for $2.49. We have a 50-cent off digital coupon, making your price just $1.99. The Poise pads are 2 for $9. We do have some insert coupons for $2 off. I ran out, so I had to go to poise.com and I was able to print a $2 off coupon. You would pay $5 for 2 of them, but then you will get a $5 register reward, making them free, plus submit your receipt to fetch rewards for points also. The A&W Root Beer Canada Dry Orange Soda is included, and I know Dr. Pepper is, but these are currently on sale for 3 for $8.99. You would pay $8.99, which makes your total come up to be $2.99 a case. The General Mills cereal is on sale for $1.88. We have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. You would end up paying $2.76 or $1.38 a box. The Kellogg's Rice Krispie is on sale for 2 for $5. We currently have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon. You would just pay $4 for 2 of them, or $2 a piece. The Campbell's Soup is on sale for 2 for $2. You would pay $2, but we currently have a 35-cent off a 2 Ibotta rebate, making it $1.65 or 82 cents a can. The M&M's is 88 cents and the Snickers are 88 cents. We have 2 different rebates. We have 50 cents off a 2 off M&M's and 50 cents off a 2 for the Snickers. You would end up paying $1.76 for 2 of them. You would submit your 50-cent off a 2 rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.26 or 63 cents a piece. Cadbury mini eggs are on sale this week for $2.49. We also have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon, plus there is a $1 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you want to use that. You would end up paying $3 or $2.98 or just $1.49 a piece. So this is everything that I got for my haul. My daughter's playing with stuff. I was right about these coupons. The only one of them came off instead of the 2 like it's supposed to. I don't know why they can't fix their system. And then when I was scanning the whole blends, there was no digital coupon that was popping up, but it did come off on the transaction. And then I did have a problem with the soft soap cup coupon. She had to enter one of them and it said that I couldn't use it or something like that. So my grand total came to $34.97. I ended up receiving $8 of register rewards, $5 for the Poise deal, and then I got $3 for the Downy and the Tide deal. And then I got $14.35 back with points. I got the cash rewards. I got cash rewards for the soft soap. I got cash rewards for the Colgate. And I think that was it. And then I also had another thing attached. And then I got $3.35 back from Ibotta. So my grand total came to $9.27. I got 28 items at just 33 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty good deal. So I'm excited to do the Rice Krispies for my son because he loves those. But that is my haul. If you guys like it this way, please let me know by giving this a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.